everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the chin skirt on your LS2 Thunder helmet. So super straightforward, very easy. So all you have to do is just kind of pull out on that chin skirt. It's held in by 4 pins right here along the chin bar. And it's that easy. It's got it fully removed there. And you can see the holes right here along the front of the chin bar. Now to reinstall this, what I do, I get that this plastic piece lined up just behind the front of these cheek pads here. So that's part of the reason, that's one of the ways it is held in place. So I got one lined up on one side, get the other one lined up on the other side here. Just kind of thread it through. And now I can just go ahead and push those pins back into the holes and we're all done, ready to ride.